Welcome back to the channel. My name's Adil and today we are talking about the upgrades that we've carried out on this Alfa Romeo Giulia, and this is a brand new vehicle. So there's two products that we've added on, and today's video is all about those two. Firstly is the dash camera solution. So this is the Thinkware U1000 dash camera, a 4K image quality wide angle lens that you get on the front, which is basically the brain of the system. We've got a physical cable run all the way to the back of the vehicle, all professionally installed. Then we've got the rear camera really nicely installed at the back. We've also got full parking mode facility, and this leads in to the second product that we've added in, which is vehicle security. So the reason why we've gone for this particular dash camera with the battery backup system is not only protecting the owner of the vehicle while on the road, but also while parked, all without having zero draw on your vehicle's battery. So safely keeping your vehicle as it is, not causing you any grief or problems down the line for battery issues, because it's got its own independent system that allows the system to basically power up, all powered from that new battery. So basically 45 minutes of driving gives you 16 hours of parking mode on the other side, which is absolutely incredible. So your trip, wherever you're going, is then protected not only when you're there, on your way there, but also when parked. So that is a really cool, nice solution, all neatly professionally installed, all hardwired into the vehicle, hidden out of sight for the battery. So all you've got on display is the front U1000 and the rear camera, which is very, very small. Obviously, protecting the vehicle in parks leads me on to the security side of things, and which is very, very important in today's day and age. You would have seen it all over the internet with cars going missing left, right and center. This particular client has opted to go for the Scorpion Track series. Basically what this is a tracker with built-in immobilization via fob. So basically if that fob is not present when the vehicle is started, this vehicle will not be able to start. So really cool, no fob, no start solution. So this is really useful. Client that previously has had systems like Ghost. However, on this vehicle wanted to go for something slightly different, and we've actually just done his colleague's car on a Mini with the Ghost system. Ghost is a phenomenal system, and what that is a unique PIN code sequence that you get in the car, enter a code, and then start the vehicle. However, depending on how you use your vehicle, depending who's driving the vehicle, you might want to go for something like this, which is really easy to use. I've got one of these same systems on my vehicles. Basically, I've got a little fob, same with this client now, has a little fob. Ideally, you keep separate away from your keys. However, these cannot be cloned just like your keys. If, for example, I even have the factory key in my hand, without that fob, this vehicle will not start. So no fob, no start. Really simple. Plus you also get the app for the Scorpion Track system, which is really easy to use. And I've actually got a couple of vehicles on my platform. So when I log in, I can see all my vehicles all in one place. I can see exactly where they are on a map, and also see all the data I could possibly need when managing either a fleet of vehicles or running a collection. So really cool that these systems have gone on, that you've got the Scorpion Track system as well as the dash camera system. We've got different sections on our website for these two products. One is under vehicle security with all our recommended products that we do for vehicle security, and then we've got the upgrade section which has things like the dash camera that we've added on to the vehicle. So if you're interested in getting an idea about a little bit more about info about each one of these products, head over to the website, link is in the description below. But thank you once again for watching, guys. Today was just a quick little video to showcase the level of work that we carry out on the install, but also kind of that finished result, and go through it a little bit more with you guys. So thank you once again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.